Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the App Store and your Amazon Fire TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have an Amazon Fire TV stick and you want to go ahead and install new apps. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that there's actually two ways you can do it. The first thing is that you might not even need to access the App Store. So let's say, for example, if you scroll to the left where you have the magnifying glass right over there, and let's say that we want to install Disney Plus, all you have to do is install Disney Plus. So notice how it starts to populate down below. So click on Disney Plus. And so with that, you could actually go ahead and click on Disney Plus and then go ahead and install the app. But in this case, it actually is already installed. But the other thing that you can do is that if you go back to the homepage of your Amazon Fire TV, you could actually navigate to where it says apps, which is right over here. And then you could basically browse all the different apps that are available for your Amazon Fire TV. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find the App Store and your Amazon Fire TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.